I really enjoyed getting the chance to raise money for a good cause and seeing the look of excitement on children's faces.
It made me very happy to make so many families and young children happy, and it was a really magical night. So thank you to everyone involved.
It was lovely to get into the festive spirit and remember what Christmas is all about, bringing communities together and reflecting on giving and joy. It was also a great opportunity to raise awareness for Jigsaw4u and all the amazing work that they do.